All right, good morning everybody. It's about 7:40, 7:45 out here. We're out here with our 3G, 3rd gen Dodge. We're fixing to go and run some pallets of corn that we bagged last week up to the local hardware store. They want to get some from us to sell. So we're gonna take 3 pallets up to them since it's still early in the season. And then we got a few things we're gonna try to do today. We might try to bag some corn. Got to change some blades on some bush hogs and do some other activities here around the farm. So we figured we'd just bring y'all along today for another video, and we'll just see how it goes. Alright guys, so we're here with skid steer and our pallets. We got bagged up last week, so we got one wrapped up. We're gonna go ahead and wrap up probably these right here and take them these, and then this one here we'll keep and we'll get rid of it. Somebody come along and get it, or we'll take it back to him. So we're gonna pull these pallets out, get them wrapped up, and send them up the road. All right, we got the 3 pallets on the trailer, 2 up front, 1 on the back, because it's hard to do it over the wheels. Can't get off of the forklift. So we fixing to head out, go right up the street right quick, drop this stuff off, and come back and get to work. But I tell you, all right guys, we made it down here in the heart of downtown Fountain Inn at Burdette Hardware. If you need any corn, they gonna have it. You can buy it from them, or you can buy it from us at their Fountain Inn or in Gray Court locations. And also, if you're in the area and you need any type of hardware, miscellaneous items, tools, bolts, nuts, sprayer parts, anything, they got it. Plumbing. So get with them, and let's support local businesses and keep it strong here at Burdette Hardware. All right, so we got a change of plans just a little later. It's about 9:45. We took some time to talk to Grandpa on the porch, who just enjoying the front porch talks. But we're gonna probably get out here and do some bush hogging today at one of our cow pastures, about a 30-acre pasture. We sprayed it, had a buddy spray it with some Grazon and knocked the weeds down on it. So we're gonna go bush hog it down today. Got a good friend of mine, Sam, probably gonna come help us with the other tractor. So we're gonna get the loader, took off this 6430 right here. That way it'll just keep it out of the way and it don't take but 2 seconds. So we're gonna get this loader off and let y'all watch us do that and get it hooked up. All right guys, so we got the loader unhooked. Pretty much all you do is you put the stands on it, get it down here, and then you get it to where you can pull the pin out. Pull that pin out and it sits in a cup right there on a pin on both sides. So pretty much you just pull your pin. You gotta kind of work your hydraulics back and forth to get it to pop up. But then once you pop up, all you gotta do is just come over here and unplug your hoses and back away from it, and you're good to go. So we're gonna get this unhooked right quick and continue on. All right, so loader's unhooked, got our hoses unhooked, so we're going to back away from it right quick, real nice and easy. And just like that, folks, your loader's disconnected, and we are ready to go do some bush hogging here shortly. So it's going to be a good day. It's going to be another hot. Woo! Guys, this 11 o'clock update. Here's a good old buddy, Sam. Sam, introduce yourself.
I'm back.
So he came, we got the blades put on the batwing mower. We weren't going to change them, we just going to swap out this one because they were real chewed up, but we ended up changing all of them. We had a set, so we figured why not just knock it out, get it done. So we got 6 new blades on there. He's going to go cut a pasture for us, that 30-acre pasture I was telling y'all about. And our buddy Braden, who helped us last week bag, he's going to come over here after lunch to help me start bagging. So we'll hopefully be getting a good bit done today. But all right guys, we are headed to go to drop the tractor off so Sam can bush hog. It's about 12 o'clock. We just got us a bite to eat. We're gonna go take the 6430 over here. Sam's gonna meet us in the pickup, And then we gotta go run pick some up, then we're gonna start bagging some corn. But we're gonna go carry this tractor down the road and get it done. So we'll let y'all know when we get there. All right, we got over here. Sam's taking off now. We're going to let him get this pasture knocked down. Had a bunch of dog fennel and some weeds in it. So he's gonna get to it. We'll fly the drone up, get a little before shot of everything. And then that way, whenever we get done, we'll get you an after shot, how much it cleaned it up. But it's cutting pretty good, doing good. It's got a good bit to cut. This front field is about. All right, we got Sam dropped off. He's bush hogging. And Braden, we just went by his place and got this fan here because we're gonna put it under our barn, and he's gonna come and we're gonna try to get set up. Hopefully we can get set up and get the rest of this grain wagon here emptied out, because like shown in the last video, there wasn't a whole lot left in it. Hopefully we can get it all emptied and maybe get a knock either on the red wagon or the silver wagon that's up there in the yard. We drug it out the skid steer this morning. Alright guys, it's 3 o'clock. Sam's still bush hogging. Me and Braden were here. He just went to go get some water, but we're into the silver wagon now. Got the green wagon done. We got us a pallet and we're working on our second one. It's humid out here today. We're sweating, but this fan's making the world of difference. Woo. Guys, let me tell you, it's 5:15. It is hotter than a $2 pistol out here. But me and my buddy Braden, we got it done. We got us, I think it's, what we got back here, 1, 2, almost 4 pallets done this afternoon. So that's pretty good. We emptied out the green wagon, and we emptied out the silver wagon. Got all that done, and got everything cleaned up, took up, skid steer back parked up underneath. All we got left to do is clean out this wagon here, which is pretty full. Probably do that in the next couple days or maybe next weekend. All right guys, so we are in the gator now, and we were gonna take the truck over to go see Sam in that pasture, but we just figured we'd drive this. Hadn't driven it in a while, so we're just gonna take it. We just gave the cows that little bit of feed or corn, so they're gonna go out there and do what they gotta do and eat it in the little trough. So we're gonna go right over here and see how this is gonna look out, what Sam's been up to all day. So we will fill y'all in whenever we get there. All right guys, we made it, and looks like Sam, he's done got the front field cut. It looks a lot better than it did before, and all the cows, they're all up here right now at the water trough getting some water. Well, it's always a good day whenever you ride your pastures and you're checking your cows and you come up and there's a new mama and a new baby. Got us a little bull calf here from this Hereford cow. Looking right, looking right. All right, guys, it's 7 o'clock almost. We just got up here. Sam, what you got to say? Did you get it done?
Yeah.
We got it done.
Curry's pissed.
Did good. The women are pissed. We got our brother Anthony over here.
How's it going, folks?
And we got done. Alright guys, we are headed out. 7 o'clock. We got Anthony behind us and Sam is up here in front of us. I don't know if we'll catch him or not in this shot, but he's up here in front of us. We're currently headed back to the farm. There he is down there. And we're gonna put everything up, lock it all up, and call it a night and go find us something to eat. So we'll catch you on the next video. Y'all be good and stay golden. Keep it real. Comment, like, subscribe, and we'll keep these videos going because if y'all seem to like them. So just let us know, and we're gonna carry it on back to the house and call it a Saturday. We'll see y'all next one.